Namaste student, खुश रहो बिटिया. I JBN Dr. Neelam Chakravarti from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the drivers of corporate social responsibility. And so let's start the topic. Drivers of corporate responsibility. In recent years, and there has been a trend, and particularly among large organizations, to adopt a more and socially responsible and approach to their businesses activities, and in sorry in various marketing and textbooks, and this concept is usually explored and when discussing marketing ethics and the role of the company in the overall marketplace. The overall concept is also reflected and when marketing and textbooks discuss the various marketing and philosophy that have evolved over the last country or so, and these and textbooks and highlight the textations from a marketing concept to what is the known as societicals and marketing and concept, and it in the later concept and the company seeks to added and values to the overall society and in the communities in the which the operated. Why the shift to corporate social responsibility? There are numerous and drivers in the marketplace that have and encouraged and large companies and to be the more socially responsible, as discussed in more details below. Now, but the key and drivers for firms becoming and more socially and responsible are governmental and legislations on the customer expectations of firms, the consumers and lobby groups, and the extent of cost involved, the types of industry in which and the operate, the potentials for cooperative advantage and top level corporate cultures, the government and legislations. In many countries and across certain and industries, the government has imposed and legislations that requires companies and to conform and behave in a certain manner. In this case, and however, the organizations and impacted by these legislations are only commonly and with the various requirements because of regulations, and they may or may not be willing and to incorporate social responsibility in initiatives into their day-to-day and operations of an overall stationaries. Examples here would include legislations and relating to environment and population use of workers and conditions, the product disposals and materials used in populations, and so on. Therefore, this is not necessarily and are drivers of corporate social responsibility, but is adopted and followed by companies as it is a requirement and imposed upon them by government. So, customers' expectations of firms. Customer expectations of firms and the customers are becoming and more awareness of socials and environmentals and issues, and the concentrations of the future is becoming and silently more important, and when consumers considers and purchase and decisions. As a result, some consumers will have an expectations that certain and companies behave in an appropriate manner to relatively to society and the communities for for instance, and has the faced and significance and criticism in the past, the relating to the use of low paid and workers in the developing and countries to produce toys and games and novelties, and likewise some consumers have been critical of KFC because because of the conditions and that they are the supply chickens and are held in the changing and expectations of consumers has resulted in the firms and beginning more responsive and to the issues and adopting a more and corporate responsible outlook for consumers and lobby groups in the conjunctions to the previous and driver of corporate social responsibility, and the internet and the social media has made in the much and easier for consumers and locally and groups to form to generate an attentions and efficient media and coverage, and therefore the achieve its goals of change. The tightly and these consumers lobby and groups will target and large and known and the companies within the industries the eventually and the affected the environment and were deemed to not provide of a product value. Therefore, large and the companies and who are more likely to be target of lobby groups and the becomes more likely to be and willing to be engaged in the corporate social responsibility initiatives, and the extent of the cost and involved. A shift to increase our social responsibility may come at responsible cost to the organizations, and for example some manufacturing choosing to manufacturing its product in a more developed and countries, or the choosing to pay and the productions where are much better salary, and rather than the exploiting and the unskilled and worked in developing countries, and will significantly impact their the unit and margin and the overall profitability. Now, however, and a bank can be shifted its and customers and bank statements from the from the paper based to electronics, and on the basis of that they are saving lots of paper. But this has the impact of the reducing and the cost of the organizations, and likewise the measure of hotel and chains and increase the customers to reduce their bath and to troubles and each day, and therefore where the social responsibility incentives and representatives are win and win the organizations and for more likely to important it. And the types of industry in which they operate. There are a number of the more significant and industry and where there is a graded and pressure and expectations of on the firms and to become a responsible corporate and citizens. The following the globals and financial cities carries has been and the increase and expectations of banks and other financial institutions to be more transparent and ethical in the business operations. So obviously and manufacturing is the others an industry that has greater and pressures on its particularly heavy manufacturing where there and cloud be significant and populations or large companies and deciding to the manufacturing is developing countries or manufacturers who have issue with product and disposals. Now, the potentials for the cooperative advantage by image. There are some companies and that are attempting to the building and they are the core image or at least parts of the parts of their and brand and associations around their the sociality and responsible behavior. Some companies and will highlight and that they are ethical manufacturers and the one such as the manufacturers and brand match is a financial institution that rewards and customers and with the cheaper and home loans and if they have environmentally and friendly houses. In this case and these types of organizations are truly and participating the social marketing concept and they are the origin and some profitability in order to contribute and to societies or to certain communities. The corporate cultures and top management values. Corporate social responsibility is also reflections of the overall corporate cultures and of top management values. In other words, and how important is making a contributions to society to the senior management of the organization. This will guide and how embedded and social responsibility is the overall strategy and or is the it and simply an exercise in the publicity. Thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.